Okay, Chopper and Panzer and Pat. We'll start with this stuff first and see if we can get it going. This is the start of all this stuff. Those are all my Radco ornaments that match my china. This is my pretty little table here with some of my china. The mess. That the sci-fi tree will be right over there with the boxes for the tree. And this is the table with the Christmas china. And it's Radco from Target. And there you can kind of see the Christmas tree and everything matches. See, even the little things match. There's that and the little wine charm. Glasses match. Everything matches. I have tons more stuff, but it's lost somewhere. Anyway, and there is the other wreath that matches this one you saw over here that I made. There's my little green man wreath. Okay, and then we have this garland, and that's what this archway here is. That's what those archways are going to look like when I'm done. And that is Angus. And when we first got him his first Christmas with Santa Claus at PetSmart, and he had a wreath on him. And then there's a kitty one. Okay, on